In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Bible. In the beginning was Prajapati, the Creator. With him was the Walk, the Word, and the Walk, the Word, was verily the Supreme Brahman. Vedas. Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind. Albert Einstein.
The inner sound has also been developed as a spiritual path or reference point in almost all the religions, traditions, and philosophies worldwide. It has been said that it goes by the following names in these various scriptures and philosophical works:
Om, Naad, Akash, Bani, and Sruti in the Vedas, Nada and Udgit in the Upanishads, Akshar in the Bhagavad Gita, the music of the spheres taught by Pythagoras, Sraosha by Zoroaster, Kalma and Kalam-i-Qadim in the Qur'an, Word and the water of life in the Bible, the divine wine and who by the Sufis, Hariras and Amrit by saints and mystics, Naam, Akhand Kirtan and Sacha Sabd in the Guru Granth Sahib.